This is going to be turned into a flatbed like this. That's it, all completed. That's the trailer with the vents, but let's give a quick run through. These falls down as well. And just to give an idea, how wide that is. Wheels, the guards, so the wheels, skimping, these are legs, build wheels made from TPU, choice soft. So they're not tough. Down this controls some actuator goes here. Actuator goes inside like that, and these control the ramps. And ramps are made so each ramps can be controlled individually, but synchronously move operated by this lever. So if there's an obstacle on this side and this side is fine, then the ramp will break, it flexes. But when it's fully protruded up, both of them stays up. So it's a really genius design by Burnie. It's quite heavy as well. Length, let's see how long it is. It's 3 feet 42. So 3 feet 42 inches. Yep. 42 inches in length, or 3 point, let's say 6.5 inches. Sorry, feet. So 3 feet 6.5 inches. If that's where that is, I don't know. I'll just run it off the 3.6 feet in length, just to give you an idea. Let me step back. That's how long it is. These are PLA Plus, which is this one, blue, and this is wood PLA from Eason Wood PLA. I haven't got the box for this one, but this is a wood PLA, so really nice, realistic looking. These wheel trucks, it sits there. Then yep, that's it for the little boy flatbed designed by Burnie. was a really good build. I really love the car. Just yet, as you can see, it's brand new still. I haven't touched the ground yet, which that's gonna happen in the next few minutes. And I will show to the boss. Peace.
It's caught in the crossfire.